Okay, so learning how to draw people can be a blessing and a curse at the same time. You know, it's really interesting when people say they don't know how to draw a body because it's not that hard, bro. You just draw a circle with one line and another line and another line. You just draw a stick figure, for instance. When you draw a stick figure, you've basically drawn a person. And I'm not joking when I say this. So today I'm gonna be showing some of you how to draw a person literally using a stick figure. I'm not even kidding. So take this guy for instance. So this is the reference that we're going to be using today. I hope you really look intently at this reference because it's going to get exciting. So first things first, you are going to want to create the stick figure version of this person in the reference. And I'm not even kidding when I say this. So okay, here we go. So what you're going to want to do is imagine a stick figure version of the reference. So if you take this old guy for example, so his head is like right there, right? That's the head. That's how you draw a stick figure. Basically you draw a stick figure like this, right? Just, whatever, just like that. So that's what we're gonna do. So the head is right here, right? You have the body right there. You have I don't know what, the neck to the waist, the torso. Yeah, that's what it's called. So you have the neck, right, to the butt, to the butt right there, and then from the butt you have the leg that starts from right there to the knee that ends somewhere right there. Just like that. This practice is effective because you can see results in a short amount of time without even knowing it. And then from the knee right here we have the foot. That's gonna be, yeah, so you have the foot right here. So just like that, you have the foot, you have the ankle somewhere right there, the knee right here, you have the waist somewhere around here, the neck up there, and then from the torso comes the hands. The shoulder is right here somewhere right there. So the hand falls on his lap like that, and then the other hand is behind like that, and then the other knee kind of like is shown somewhere around there, the other leg showing off to the other side, just like that. So just like that, as you can see, I have just created the stick figure version of this man. We go back to the top, and here's what we do. We now this is the hard part, so I need everybody to pay attention to this part. This is the hard part. So we now start just imagining, right? It's not about precision, it's not about perfection, it's about practice, it's about being loose, right? So even as you saw me draw the stick figure, you didn't see me just perfect it. No, I was just circling and drawing just shapes. I was practicing, not perfecting, right? So you have the hat. With the hat, I'm not gonna go in and perfect the hat. I'm just gonna create like a loose, yeah, just like a loose. You know what I'm saying? Like it's all about being loose. Perfection out the door. Just be loose. Just like that. You have the hat just like that, and then right here you have the face. Like, okay, so you have the chin right there, you have under the neck as it goes just like that. You have the shirt beginning right here, goes like that, boom. You have the back of the head which connects with the hat. Ear is somewhere here, the ear is somewhere here. It's all about, it's not about perfection, it's about just being loose. You have the nose, boom. Sometimes I just like going through the sketch, just being loose, as you can see this side, before I create like the really tough textured part of the drawing. But things get interesting the more you loosen up. And see how I'm like pushing the point to say it's all about loosening up, because that's what it's all about. It's not about perfection. You can see me literally not care if it's good or not, but the fact that just creating itself and having that experience of creation is the most important part of the process. I think it's a big deal. So as you can see, as we unfold the drawing in the most miraculous way possible, you can see it come to life. You can see the other knee right here. I mean, obviously nobody's perfect. You're gonna mess up. You know, you're gonna create lines you don't like, but it's okay. That's what the process is all about. That's what this is all about. It's all about mistakes. So as I end this sketch and as I conclude this video, I hope this helped somebody out there, because this is a technique that I've been using for like 2 years now, and it's actually one of the best things ever. Just whenever I feel burnt out, whenever I feel so distant from my creative ventures, I just tap into that inner peace and just pop out a reference out of nowhere, out of maybe like Pinterest or something, and I just draw like a skeleton version of the reference, and here we are. This really helps me in terms of art block and stuff like that. I hope it helps someone out there, and I hope it helped a lot of you out there. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.